Well, things are definitely better now after that really foggy start. At most, what we're seeing right now is just a little bit of haze across the valley. Actually, satellite radar not showing all that much. Now, there's actually having a little bit of problem with the satellites right now. Today is actually a big day. That GOES 16 you might have heard about, it's going into effect today, and so they're doing a transition. So our cloud cover is kind of doing some funny things right now as they get that GOES 16 ready to go. But the radar is working right, and what you're seeing is there are a few showers that are trying to stream over the lower valley, but these are really unimpressive. At most, when we switch over to our high resolution radar, they're even harder to spot on there. In fact, some of those are actually false returns just to the north of Los Fresnos, not even anything real. If you're getting under one of those little tiny little green showers, it might be a few drops, but it's not amounting to much. I think most of this afternoon is going to be dry, but tonight, things change a little bit. Now, actually, the clouds outside right now are a little bit thinner than they were yesterday. And I think over the next couple hours, we're going to see a little bit of sun. I don't want to get optimistic. It's not going to be bright blue skies out there, but it's still going to be mostly cloudy. But a little bit of sun coming through, which is progress compared to all the thick cloud cover we've seen through the weekend. And yesterday, it has been a while since we've seen a little bit of the sun. It's also going to remain windy, with gusts occasionally up to 30 miles per hour. Those winds have mainly been in the lower valley, but they're spreading to the upper valley as well. Now, notice how at 10 o'clock, those clouds start to thicken up again. We're going to see the cloud cover build, and then maybe a few rain showers. Not much, though. Notice here we are at 4 a.m. and see that little bit of green showing up right along the border. And also we'll be dealing with some fog once again, but I don't think it's going to be quite as dense as what we saw this morning. It looks like there'll be just enough of a breeze to kind of keep the fog at bay, but in some spots there will be some fog out there. And we'll be dealing with these few showers, those little green dots popping up through the early morning hours. See, there you have it, right around South Padre Island, maybe around 8 a.m. tomorrow. It's still cloudy skies to start the day, but I think in the afternoon tomorrow, we're going to see even more sun than today. Notice how the clouds start to thin out. There's a little bit of drier air behind this cold front, and I think that'll allow for partly cloudy skies and will be a little bit cooler. While we'll be in the 80s today, I think most will just be in the upper 70s tomorrow, but not much of a change of temperatures. This is a pretty weak cold front that's going to be working over us. So for the rest of the day, mostly cloudy, warm, windy, gusts to 30 miles per hour, and in general, a high of 82, though if you're in the lower valley, especially Brownsville, you might be around 85, or maybe even Harlingen, 84 or so. But typically it'll be 82, and it might be a little bit cooler out to the west. And then tonight, it's going to be another muggy one. Cloudy skies. I think we're dry in the evening, but late tonight, a few showers are possible, and we might also see a little bit of patchy fog. I don't think it's going to be as dense as what we were dealing with this morning, though. It looks like just enough of a breeze. All right, so we got a cool down to 78 on Wednesday, but then we warm right back up for the first day of winter on Thursday, and it doesn't feel anything like winter, back to 83. I think Friday is our warmest day, 84. Now, I think we're going to be dealing with quite a bit of fog Thursday morning, and that's one thing to watch out for. Otherwise, a quiet day Thursday, and much of the day Friday is going to be quiet too, but Friday night, we're going to see some scattered showers, maybe even a rumble of thunder. And notice, this is a much stronger cold front. We're going to be cooling down from 84 on Friday to 66 on Saturday. Now, we attempt to warm up a little bit on Christmas Eve, but another cold front comes in, and that sends us to the upper 50s Christmas Day, although it looks like a nice one with mostly sunny skies. We'll have more news after the break.